So hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng ALLDATA 299 sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And once again more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating mobile device. And dito guys, dial lang natin is *123 number sign or hashtag and then call. So after nyan, piliin lang natin dito yung number 8 which is yung ALLDATA. So type natin yung number 8 and then tap send. So piliin natin dito guys is yung ALLDATA ulit. So number 1 and then tap send. So hanapin nyo guys yung 299. So kung makikita nyo nandun siya sa number 3. So number 3 yung itatype natin and then tap send. So ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, kapag doon nag-register tayo ng ALLDATA 299, makakakuha tayo ng 24GB shareable data. Good for 30 days na siya guys. So napakasulit nito kung hindi kayo masyadong magamit or hindi kayo masyadong gumagamit ng data kasi good for 1 month na siya, 299 lang. So para ma-subscribe, type natin is number 1 and then tap send. And then continue lang natin guys, number 1 and then tap send. So, ayun lang guys, gano'n lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng ALLDATA 299 sa ating Smart and TNT SIM. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!